Meaning of initialization.
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 Initialization. Initialization refers to the process of setting up or preparing a system, program, or device for its intended use. This usually involves configuring various settings or parameters to ensure that the system performs optimally. In computer programming, initialization is often used to specify the initial values of variables and objects before they are used in the program logic. The result of proper initialization is increased efficiency and reduced errors in the system. It is an essential step that ensures the proper functioning of any system or program that requires it.